Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, kindly subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix your nails at home. Let's say you don't want to go to a nail technician, you just want to fix it yourself. So firstly, you need to get the nail. It comes in a pack. You can get it from any cosmetic shop around you, and you need a nail file, cuticle and a glue, like an adhesive to hold the nails in place when you start fixing. So you want to start off by cleaning your nails. You use the cuticle to clean the edges of your nails, and if you want to reduce the length of your natural nails, you can also use the cuticle to do that and clean underneath your nails. After that, you file your nails and you start sorting the nails. Okay, the nails, they come in pairs, like one for the right hand and one for the left hand. So the nails are actually labeled. They are labeled with numbers. That way it's easier for you to sort. For some persons, they like to place it on their finger to try it out to see if it fits their fingers, but I don't do that because these are already made nails and they're standard size nails, and I believe my nails are standard size also. So you want to sort the nails. After doing that, you can start fixing. So here I'm done sorting out the nail extension, the artificial nails, and it's time for me to start fixing my nails. So what I'm doing here is that I'm using a little bit of glue on my natural nails, and I'm doing the same thing for the nail extension. And you just need a little amount of glue, because if you use so much, it's not going to stay. I know it sounds ironic, but if you use so much, it's just going to make the nails start falling off. So you just need the right quantity, which is very little. And once you're done with that, you put the artificial nails on top of your natural nails, and you're going to apply a little bit of pressure. Don't hurt yourself, just a little bit of pressure so it can just stay. And you're going to repeat the same thing for the rest of the fingers or the rest of the nails. So after fixing my thumb, I like to fix my ring finger. I don't know why I do that often, but that's just the order I like to go in. So you can fix the next finger if that's what you want to do, but it's almost like a habit for me to fix my ring finger next. So you're just going to repeat the same thing. A little bit of glue on your natural nails and on the nail extension. You place nail extension on your natural nails and nails, and you're just going to put a little bit of pressure to make it stay. So that's just what you're going to do for the rest of your fingers or your nails. I actually like to fix already made nails, because most times when I fix, I don't like to carry for a very long time. And probably, let's say you go to a nail technician and you pay a lot of money to fix acrylic nails, and you want to take it off the next week, it's just going to be, I don't know, not profitable for you. So if you're someone that you don't like carrying your nails for long, I think this is your best bet. It's easy to do, and this nail is actually cute. This particular nail extension has this smart look, and it's very cute to wear. Let's say something you want to wear for a short term basis, you can just get this, and it's not expensive, which is the most important part. It's not expensive. So back to the nails, you're just going to do the same thing you did for the other. So here we're almost done with the left hand, and after that we'll use the left hand to fix the right hand, which is a little bit difficult because now the left hand is already fixed and some persons don't use their left hand properly. So using a fixed left hand to fix the right hand, it's just a little bit stressful, but it's something you can do. So you just do the same thing you did for the right hand to the same thing you did for the left hand. You're just going to do the same thing to the right hand. And so guys, I fixed my right hand off camera, and this is the way it came out. Thank you guys for watching to the end. Please don't forget to like, comment and share, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please kindly hit the red subscribe button. See you on my next video. Bye.